fucking eyebrows, not eyebrows. Watch your mouth before you get included in this. Really? I'm gonna catch you while you sleep. I'm heavy enough. You ain't gonna lift me off.
No, I just move a lot.
Trust me. You won't move with my fat asses on your chest.
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You nasties. Disgusting. Okay, so it's past 8 o'clock and my Jeffree Star boxes have not shown up. I'm gonna check the door one more time before I go get my face waxed. Cause move Onyx. Because this is really depressing. The post office is really some liars. And that's a shame because my brother is a postal employee. And as a postal employee, he would be thoroughly ashamed of this shit. So, just keep it noted. Bitch is gonna get waxed. Okay, so I'm gonna get waxed because bitch is broke and this is how we do things. So, I got my co-host, L Rose, and we about to wax.
Oh my god, it looks so small. I'm not that small.
There we go. I ain't even recording none of that shit.
Are you fucking serious?
Yeah, I know. She chose green because it's my favorite color. We about to do this. Alright. Work movies again. See? Ooh, wait.
No hair there, but yeah.
Hold on, I gotta do it. Oh, wait, she's about to.
Look at rip.
Yeah.
I guess it didn't really bother you at all.
Nah.
Great. Excellent.
We are about to pony a wax on this face because, as you can tell, we about to like get it on like Donkey Kong.
Oh yeah.
Tell me what you really like. Baby, I can take my time.
Oh yeah.
It matches my sweater.
That's just nice. Yeah, flick up. Flick it. 1, 2. Give it a little pressure. Yeah, see, that was fun. That was fun for her.
I'm okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Now you can see the pillows. Come on,
You
zoom
can
in
do
on
it like
the hair.
this.
Zoom in on the hair.
It's like, no, she has glitter on her nail.
Oh, that hair.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's nice. That's better nice. Alright, so we're gonna do the rest and we're gonna show you what it looks like afterwards. Don't forget to catch Jojo Rabbit in theaters.
Jesus.
By Taika Waititi. He plays Hitler in the movie. I'm not done yet. I'm still very. Listen, this isn't a Hitler mustache. I know some grown ass men that still rock this shit. And they're actually like really nice people. They just have weird fashion choices.
It's like fashion is fashion.
Mm-hmm. It's controversial and brave. And I can't stop crying.
Warner Brothers developing new Harry Potter film. Original cast will return.
Probably the Half-Blood Prince. I think. I don't know.
Nope, we watched that. We made that one.
But featuring Hitler. So I got.
That shirt won't fit me. I got tips for days.
Why is my brother like this? But
Maybe I lost weight too. So.
my eyebrows are looking real fresh. My upper lip is kind of like, I hate you, bitch. But I'm happy. Oh, I hate when I get the pimples afterwards. It freaking sucks. Well, time to just put some toner on my face and hope for the best. But that has been home waxing with Elle and Lexa
And
Rose.
here's a little extra. Come look over here, guys and girls.
I'm a fucking OG at this shit.
Yeah, he really is. Like,
My girlfriend made me into the epitome of a metrosexual.
Yeah, but you're still masculine, though. Like, you know,
That's what I'm talking about.
that's Wolf, my brother. So he'll be appearing in a lot more future episodes. If you didn't see the Gary Juice episode, Gary. We did have a BoxyCharm BoxyLux unboxing video, but unfortunately the file got corrupted. So, and it was like
That
a
was
really,
good one, too.
yeah, we had like a rousing rendition of Chocolate Salty Balls by Chef, and it was great. Ooh, wow. Put them in your mouth and suck them. Suck on my chocolate salty balls. A pack full of vitamins and good for you. So suck on my balls. Yo, if you didn't buy Chef Aid when you were a kid, then you did not live life. That was like my
You
album.
didn't buy Chef Aid? Were you even really a kid?
Yeah, really. Like, seriously. South Park
Why are
is
you
life.
doing that part?
You going in serious wax mode, man. Like, there should be like a day of the week that we should just like kind of reserve for like waxing. That one was definitely a non-expected one. Even the baddest wolves can withstand the wax. You're badass for this, bro. Like, honestly. Like, I have so much more respect for you because you know.
You should have seen me when she first started doing it to me.
I waxed his whole back.
I was like, ah! She tried to do my under on my neck.
Yeah.
And I got one, and I was like, nope!
No, that's a lot of fucking hair.
You can pick off those little pieces.
Am I beautiful?
Yes. Word.
Tune into Wrestling with Beauty.
The Wrestling with Beauty. Ooh. Is that the foot spray? If you didn't watch our unboxing that I just posted not too long ago, she got this spray, right, that she says smells like feet, but it's really peppermint and rosemary and like Damascena rose water or something, and she says it smells like feet.
But that is nice. Can't do that. God, it's so hard.
I'm gonna get some good ass glutes with these squats. And that has been another episode of Wrestling with Beauty, The Waxing. Thank you for the lovely Elle Rose for waxing our faces. My brother Wolf for guest starring in it.
Dollar for dollar.
Don't forget. Yep. There's something that's supposed to be added to that, but I'm too high to remember that for the moment. So I'm just saying, keep it Gucci Poochie, and don't forget to check us out on the next video. Love you guys.